three. Short. But that was a foul. Silver with a drive. That's another foul. So is D.
Hey!
He's had it on. Ooh, this one.
He's had enough, he's crazy.
Silver goal. Has a chance to redeem. From that trouble. To the lead. And this is roll with a three. Oh, too short. Next is for Pedro Salis. He will move up here. Sit with the drive. And this is the 11. Roll goal.
Got me out. Are you up to? Tim, are you up to? If you lose, it's the jersey, bro. He's about to break his own ankle again.